it's Campbell Such. This is My Invite Thursday, and today I want to cover off a little bit about decisions. Rachel Kelly posted an article on LinkedIn recently about Mary Barra, the chief executive at General Motors, who had taken their 10-page dress code and simplified it down to two words. Dress appropriately, and then expected all her leaders and her managers and the whole staff at the business to then make decisions accordingly around that dress code. It led me to think about how we make decisions as leaders and managers. To me, decisions need to be made by the person best placed to make them. If you're making decisions that your direct reports or others in the business should be making, then all you become is a bottleneck. All you become is a bottleneck with a line of people outside your door waiting for you to make those decisions and slowing things down. Now, having said all of that, it's much easier to say than it is to do. But I'd suggest that it's what you really need to consider seriously doing to make the best use of your talents and your time, and most importantly, your talents. So my challenge for you this week is go and find some decisions, or even one decision that you can hand off to someone that you know is better placed than you are to make that decision. Help guide them to make it, and see how it goes, and then leave a comment and tell me how you get on. I'd love to hear it. And if you disagree with this, leave me a comment. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week.